I'm Silverflame, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fake puke. So, you want to know how to make fake puke, and it just so happens a recipe is known to yours truly. So, without further ado, this is stuff you can use that you can find just around your house more than likely. And if not, you can just go to some fast food restaurant and ask for some of this stuff. It's that easy to get. It's that simple. Or you can go to the store and buy it for like $1. It's that simple. And, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first ingredient you're going to want to add, pull this a little bit closer to me, is these diced fruits. Now, you're not going to want to leave them like this, otherwise it will look like puke. And, hold on a second, damn it, I fell on the table and made a big mess. You're going to want to just smash them up. You're just going to want to smash them up as good as possible. Alright. Smash them good. See that? Some high 57 right in there. And that's going to make it a little bit darker. You're going to want to stir this after everything you add, by the way. So now that's... smells great, you know. You can find this stuff just around your house, literally. And after you add the ketchup, you're going to take one of these. One of How To Basic's favorite things in the world. And since I am How To Basic, you're going to crack it and put it in there. All this is going to do is just add, I guess, some... I wish they would stop screaming. All you gotta do is add this in there and mix it up. You know, this is just gonna make it more of a pukey looking color, give it some, make it a little bit brighter, I guess, and also change the colors up a little bit so it looks like it's a mixture between like mucus and all that other good stuff. And obviously we're gonna put another one in there. And that one's gonna make it even more better. You know what? I don't know why I'm trying to wipe my hands off. They're just gonna get even messier. So you're gonna add a little bit more high 57. So after you put some mustard in there, you're obviously gonna stir it again. Because you gotta make this look as chunky and as pukey as possible. Alright. We're gonna put a little bit of milk in there. For a good while too. Now that does look like vomit, okay? And then last, some honey mustard. I just wanted to put this in there because I never had any use for it. So, honey mustard, and then you stir it up, and then you've got what looks like puke. Now, if you drink this, you're sure to puke, unless you're me, because I can't puke anymore. But we're not going to be drinking it. Stop, Maggie. We're not going to be drinking it. We're not going to be feeding it to my dog. I'm just going to pour it out in the sink now, so you can see what it looks like in the sink. I guess. I don't know. So see, this is my sink, and then we pour it in there, and then you yell to your parents that you threw up. They come here, they look at that, it looks like puke. Congratulations, you're out of that test. You know you're gonna fail. Now this is a recipe that you can use if you're trying to get out of going to school, get out of going out to eat, get out of doing whatever, pretty much. I have used similar recipes before. I actually used pea, root beer, shampoo, and Dr. Pepper one time. And it fooled. Smelled horrible, obviously. The shampoo, somehow, I just got out of the shower, so it covered it up like that. But, you know, I've used recipes like this, similar recipes before. I've even used spaghetti before. You know, you can use just about anything, just as long as you make a really gross looking mixture. You can call it puke. That's just the mixture that I used today as a way of teaching you the stuff that you would need. You know, stuff like the the kind of like color and stuff you would need to make a fake puke. Try to go for a brown or an orange color, because that's gonna sell it really good. Make sure it's chunky. God, that sounds so bad when I'm talking about something related to puke. Make sure it is chunky, because that helps sell that it's puke. And make sure it does not smell good. You know, if it's just like a faint smell, you know, and if that happens, you can say it smelled bad and it made me gag even more, so I sprayed some air freshener. You can do that even. Just make sure, or like spray some air freshener and make sure that your parents hear the air freshener, and then tell them you threw up. And, you know, if they ask why you're spraying air freshener, just be like, well, it smelled bad in here and I sprayed the air freshener. That helps. That also helps sell it a little bit. It's kind of a hit or miss with that one. But if you've got convincing fake puke, you just sold it. Anyway, that's all for this time. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you get caught, I'm not responsible for you getting caught. I'm not responsible if you use this technique to try to get out of school. I'm not responsible. I didn't teach you this for that reason. Well, I kind of did. But it's just because I felt like making this video. And I've had that video in my inventory for a long time. So, figured why not make it now. I don't have anything else to do. Didn't have any other videos planned. I never gotta get a video planned for tomorrow. Damn. I gotta get better at this video making stuff.